So I'm on my agenda and I see that I have an Edpuzzle. So how do I complete this Edpuzzle? So I click on Edpuzzle and I get this little nice message from Edpuzzle. I want to sign in with Google, of course. Okay, and I got here, and this time I wanted to see everything. This time I didn't have a problem. It let me log right in. I can just press play and start. Now, what if I get an error message? If you get an error message, I would go and log out of that Edpuzzle and then log back in, say I'm a student, sign in with Google, and then I would be able to see all of my classes and do assignments. I also have ones that have no due date and completed. Now this is the 5th grade example class. If I go down to the class that I was in, here we go, to find that Edpuzzle again. Here's ones that I have that were due assignments that are now past due, and I can see it right here. And they have all of the dates and all of the due dates here that I can see. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to complete this just so that you can see how it goes as at the time. So I'm not going to play the video, but I'll get down to some questions. So I've gotten to the point in the video where there's a question. It says, think about Mike's words and actions. What gets Mike excited? Something that is new to you and only a little old. Keeping things the same when they work. Brand new things with powerful features. So I'm going to try powerful features, brand new things. I'm going to hit submit. And absolutely, that is what gets Mike excited about this car, is that it is brand new and has all sorts of features. And then I have continued to keep going, but it lets me know right away, was I right or wrong? Fantastic. Immediate feedback. How are you doing? Okay, so now I'm at the end of my Edpuzzle, and Sully asks Mike if he wants to walk at the end of the clip. Mike says yes. This shows Sully can be reasonable. Mike holds a grudge. Sully is forgiving and understanding. Mike can be reasonable. Sully is easy to anger and quick to forgive. Mike is always cool as a cucumber. We need to go here. And when we click submit, okay, and then I click continue, and it gets all the way to the end. And now that I'm done, I can now see my results. And I can see that I rocked this. I got 9 out of 9. Fantastic. It does help that I wrote all the questions. But you can see then, as you're going, it gives you each answer. But then here you can also see how you did at the very end.